warning for Buchanan County, northern Benton County, western Delaware County, northwestern Lynn County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jessup to Garrison, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Independence, Vinton, Robbins, Jessup, Center Point, Urbana, Dysart, Fairbank, Palo, Shellsburg, Winthrop, Hazleton, Walker, Albanet, Quasqueton, Lamont, Garrison, Brandon, Rowley, and Aurora. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 28 and 55. Take cover now. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. for southwestern Buchanan and northern Benton counties. At 4:32 p.m.